Samsung Electronics unveiled its next-generation 4K QLED TVs in New York on Wednesday. The new lineup of flagship QLED, quantum dot light emitting diode, TVs, including the 85-inch, 8K artificial intelligence, AI, powered TV, houses an ambient mode feature that mimics the pattern on the wall behind the TV to create a visual effect in which the TV blends seamlessly into the wall. To achieve this effect, download the Samsung SmartThings app on your smartphone and take a picture of the wall. The app, available for both iOS and Android devices, then sends the image to the wall-mounted TV and figures out how to fill the screen with that image. Ambient Mode also provides useful information throughout the day like weather reports and important news of the day, etc., even when someone is not actively watching the TV. With Bixby Assistant, you can use voice commands to ask for your favorite movies or songs, along with controlling compatible Internet of Things, IoT, home devices like a robotic vacuum cleaner or cameras inside your home. Our 2018 lineup of televisions are most innovative and sophisticated yet, designed for today's consumer who is mindful of the aesthetics of their space, Jong-hee Han, president of visual display business at Samsung Electronics, told The Gathering during the launch event at the American Stock Exchange in New York. Samsung's flagship televisions, for which the price is yet to be announced, will be available later this month. The new QLED TVs don't have a bunch of cables around them. There is only one slim cable that sends both power and data, audio-visual content, to the TV. Available up to 15 meters, the cable frees consumers from having to place their TV near data or power outlets. The cable is connected to a separate external box. We are excited for consumers to experience our new TV lineup and features that offer more freedom to decide where and how the TV can be best enjoyed within the home, Han added. Out of the new QLED TVs, Q9F, Q8F, Q7C, Q7F, and Q6F, the Q8F and Q9F models deliver images through direct full array, DFA, technology. The DFA technology uses a panel with zones of smartly controlled backlighting that adjust automatically to deliver deep blacks and pure whites. The new QLED series supports Samsung's new HDR10 Plus technology. Samsung also unveiled its expanded lineup of UHD, Premium UHD, and ultra-large screen TVs. Apart from TVs, the South Korean giant also showcased a new audio lineup that included the HWK950 Dolby Atmos soundbar, HWN650 soundbar for gamers, HWNW700 soundbar that features a wall-mounted design, and VL550 that includes a unique metal dial that consumers can attach to any metallic surface and use to control music with their voice.